today we're going to be talking about the undertones, your skin undertones. That I see me wearing a gold earring and it looks good or it goes well with me, there is a reason why I had to choose a gold earring or a gold jewelry over a silver jewelry, okay? And you are also going to get to know why you wear the type of jewelries you wear, or why some type of jewelry or some type of things don't really just look good on you. Because once I figured out what actually sat well with my skin tone, I stopped wasting money. Honestly, I stopped wasting money and I started investing on the pieces that I know that was going to help bring out my skin tone and also define my undertone very well. Just so they don't contrast, but they can move together in harmony. And I'm going to help you do the same thing in this video. Now let's begin. So before we begin, let us try to understand what our undertone simply means. Now, your undertone is the neutral hue underneath your skin, and it never changes even if you get lighter or darker. So even if you end up bleaching your skin or you end up turning darker tomorrow, your undertone is a real hue. Do you understand? It gives a hue of whatever shade your skin turns into in future or even now. Now, there are three different types of undertone. We have the warm, we have the cool, and we have the neutral undertone. So now let's get into them one by one. Now, a warm undertone simply means that your skin simply looks golden. Now, personally, I have a warm undertone, and I'm going to tell you how to test and then pick which of them suits you best. Now, if you have a cool undertone, you will notice that your skin kind of looks kind of pink or kind of reddish, somehow not red, but that's how the skin tone is going to look like, okay? While neutral, anything will definitely go for you, be it pink, be it white, be it blue, be it whatever color will definitely go with you. And also any of the accessories, be it gold or silver, will definitely look best on you. So here are simple tests that you can do to identify which undertones that you have. First of all, we're going to be doing the vein test. I mean, most of us know about the vein test anyway, but we're going to be doing the vein test, and you're going to do the vein test on a very neutral light. It shouldn't be a direct source of light or very harsh light. It should be a light that is very neutral, okay? So you're going to be taking your wrists out like this. Then you're going to be looking at your veins, okay? Try looking at your veins. Now, if your vein appears to be greenish in a way, then that means you definitely have a warm undertone. If it looks bluish or purplish somehow, it definitely means you have a cool undertone. But then if you check this and then it looks like, I don't even know which one I have, because it feels like it's not cool, it's not warm, then definitely you have a neutral undertone. But now, if you still feel that doesn't feel satisfied, you're not satisfied with that, definitely we are going to move on to the next thing we are going to use to checkmate these skin tones or these undertones. So now the next thing we are going to do, the next test we are going to do is the jewelry test. Now what we're going to do is get your jewelry, possibly your necklace or something. If you have silver and you have gold, just get the two of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to place a gold jewelry, place both gold and silver jewelry on your skin, okay? Now try and look at which of them looks very beautiful, which of them looks more appealing to that skin. If the gold accessory looks more appealing to your skin, it simply means you have a warm undertone like myself. But if the silver jewelry tends to look more flattering on the skin, then definitely you have a cool undertone. Now, if you place these two jewelries together on your skin and you notice that the both of them looks alike, not like gold, like you know what I'm trying to say, but alike in the sense that the both jewelries look good on your skin at the same time, then you simply have a neutral tone. It means you can rock any jewelry from gold and silver at any time, okay? So that's how you would know. Now, the next thing we are going to be doing, if this still sounds confusing, the next one we are going to be doing is the pepper test. Now, for the pepper test, you're going to get a clear white pepper like this. Then you're going to place it closer to your face, either somewhere here, or you can place it somewhere here closer to your face, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to be looking at the hue of your face and what you have on the paper. Now, if your face looks yellowish, or it looks what I put it now, if it looks golden or yellowish once you place the paper like this, it definitely means you have a warm undertone. But if at any point in time you place a paper like this beside your face and your face wants to look purplish or pink, you understand, it has this pink hue, then you know you have a warm undertone. But now if you place the paper like this beside your face and it looks grayish, okay, the hue between this and your face looks grayish or it seems unclear, then definitely you have a neutral undertone. You don't need to beat yourself up. Every single undertone has its unique colors that fit it very, very well. There are colors that you wear that makes it makes your skin pop, and there are colors that you have to avoid, which means those colors will definitely wash you out when you put them on. The next thing you're going to be looking at is what type of colors actually flatters your skin tone. Now, don't get me wrong, you can definitely wear any color that you want to. We don't want perfection, we just want something that can make us look much beautiful and much better, right? So now I'm going to give you a list of colors. I wrote it down, so I'm definitely going to read it directly from my list here, so I won't forget anything. But then if you have any other color that you know you always love and looks good on you as well, you can definitely go ahead and rock your colors, right? Now let's go into what colors will actually flatter you. Now if you have a warm skin tone, colors like mustard, olive, cream, coral, warm brown, okay, or a rusty type of color would definitely look good on you. This shirt I'm wearing, this is not like a white, this is kind of like a cream. This is what I have. It's not like 100% cream, but it's like, you know, that hue where you have white and cream in between. That's how the color of this shirt is. But on the screen it looks white. That's how it looks like. So that's the kind of color I'm putting on right now, just to help enhance my skin tone. Now let's get down to someone that has a warm skin tone. Now if you have a warm skin tone, the colors that are best for you, we have navy, that's navy blue, very beautiful. We have blush pink, we have true black, white, and jewel tones. Okay, those jewel tones really look good on you. But then you have to avoid beige. Beige colors will wash you out, and also warm yellows will definitely wash you out. It's a tone that your skin can attain, and then you notice that colors like this look good on you. Why not? You can definitely wear it. Now if you have a neutral skin tone, any color will definitely look good on you, but the colors that will definitely stand out, which are like the best colors, are the soft beige colors. We have dusty pink, we have teal, we have rose brown, and we have soft earth tones. These tones or these colors will definitely snatch your skin. It will definitely make you look. If you want me to make videos for you, like specific videos when it comes to dark skin tones, caramel, light skin tones, colors that will suit perfectly for you, definitely let me know in the comment section. I'm going to definitely make those videos for you. Okay, now no matter what skin tones you have, you can always mismatch colors and see what goes with you. It doesn't mean that these are the colors that you have to wear all through your life. No, it simply means that if you want to build your staple wardrobe, these colors should definitely come in as part of the things you're going to use to build your wardrobe, just so that you can be able to wear something, you will not lack anything to wear, and any simple thing you put on, you just, do you understand, just take your looks from 0 to 100. I'm just wearing a normal plain white shirt and just a piece of jewelry, just a piece of jewelry, but then I look cute, right? I look snatched, I look beautiful, and I love the way I look in this video. So yes, that is just it. Now, note that you can have a dark skin tone, but you have a warm undertone, or you can also be a very light skin tone person, but then you have a very neutral undertone. It doesn't really matter what type of skin tone you have. What we're looking at are the undertones. Those hidden notes under your skin is what really makes your skin stand out. Someone can be very fair, like this, like very bright fair, but then you notice that colors like, jewelries like gold doesn't really look good on her until she ends up using jewelries like, let's say, silver. It looks very beautiful on her. Or rose gold type of colors will also look very, very good on her. Type of jewelry will also really look good on her. Do you understand? So you have to really understand your own type of skin tone Personally, like I said, I have a warm skin tone, so know what you have and work with that. Now, if you want to go in depth as to everything that we've talked about, and also every single thing that we've talked about in our previous videos, those of us that has laid hands on our style workbook, they are definitely giving testimonies right now, because they've seen what we have in there, and it's seriously not a joke. So you can definitely put your hands on that as well. And also let us know in the comment section what you think about this video. Now, that workbook, or this workbook rather, goes in depth to talk about your face shape, your body shape, your undertone in depth, what you're supposed to be using, how you can contour your face according to your face shape, what kind of earrings to wear, the kind of jewelry to wear, the kind of necklines to wear, every single thing that is going to help you transform yourself from where you are now to where you want to be. Everything is in that workbook, and it also has a spare worksheet that you can write everything out about yourself, so that once you pick up that worksheet and you go through it, you just definitely know where to head to. You will not be confused anymore when it comes to buying clothes, when it comes to buying jewelry, the type of hairstyles to make. You will not be confused anymore. So definitely lay your hands on that. It's optional. If you want to take it, there's no problem. So that's it for this. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. And until next one, I'll see you on my next video. Stay tuned and be blessed. Bye, bubbles.